Today I take you to cut a sense of red raw stow shit, really super loose. Hi, everyone, I hold this one is produced in Tanzania's saddle cover mining area of 1 fried semen shit, because this one fried enough beautiful and bright, its color of the soul is also very good, so use his mining area name to name this stone, etc. I can see this eye is still quite clean, huh? Then not much to say next, the direct filling is to put the irregular place in the edge, there is a little tongue, this stone are given to him after dropping, it is probably like this. Do you feel that the strawberry flavor is very strong? Well, after rushing the cup, it was to connect it to a slab of condensed stone, warm it with a torch, then fix the gem on it, and then top up the countertop. What about? The next step is to replace the polishing plate with a grinding plate, and first polish the countertop of the treasure. The effect of cutting out this gem is really very stunning. Now that the gem's countertop has been completely thrown into the face fruit, install it on the octopus hand. First, the first step, this time to make a more beautiful water drop type. After it is well shaped, you can start sanding the first layer of the can cloth. The first layer of the can cloth is called the main lid surface. Well, now the first layer of filling has been masked, a total of 7 pit surfaces. Next to sand the new small surface. The new small surface, this is very small. To look very carefully, this is the fresh small surface. There are a total of 8 triangles of new small face hagwon cloth. The last layer is called the upper waist small face after polishing. This gem of the jar cloth of the distortion surface composition is completed. Well, now for the whole can cloth sanded effect. Next is to polish it, first according to the just now, first the main lid of the jar to polish. Each lid must be thrown to the front to come out the best side so that the main pit face throw good look. Have you felt that the current crystal is already very good and transparent feeling? Then next to brighten the new small face. The new small face really needs to be very careful, and the width of this stone is only more than 4 millimeters, so the wiring of this gem will be a little difficult. But you can see that we have connected each line very well. After all the surface polished, you have to polish the waist of the gem, and then look at the entire can screen is not the feeling thrown very bright wiring? Very well done. Then we can from now on, you can appropriately praise my heel after doing it. You have to remove it from the top, turn the face and re-electric on to do stop steps, indeed face it. The mooring is so done in this phase, the T-style is indeed the face. What about the back of this hall step? He is enough, so it will be very scattered. You can see that now the first layer has been masked. You can see that there is still a primitive mouth face on top, huh? Next we pushed up this hall cloth layer by layer. A total of 4 layers were made. While now the second layer is also polished, you can see that this frame pit is a little smaller. Then next polish the last 2 layers. The last 2 layers is on top of the sandwich, and then the bottom layer also add another layer so that his waistline looks parallel. Then the whole stop step is like this. Next, polish him, or according to the order just now, one by one. It is also through the time of polishing to adjust its wiring, so now the first layer has been polished, then continue to do according to the steps just now. I tell you the value of mocking guy, 1 carat like this color 1 carat full strength can be sold to more than 10,000, even can be sold to 20,000. Few people do all clean solid gold stone. The most exquisite set scarf, because they have to take care of the weight, can sell a higher price. Then now this light after, we see his wiring and polishing are done very extreme, huh? That polished after this, looking forward to its final effect. After removing from the train, soak alcohol, because alcohol can dissolve turkey scared clean, then take it out to clean, wipe clean, let. Gee, my god, this treasure cutout really amazed me, huh? His crystals are very good, and his color is very rich, plus he cut it very delicately, so he looks very expensive. Do you really like this mouth too much? And then look at the hands is simply like a small fireball bag in your hand, and finally see the effect under natural light. My sky is exposed to direct sunlight, he has to shine as much as he wants, his saturation has reached a very peak state. This gem is really too, such a fine gem, really see a moment less a mouthful. Then do you think this treasure? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.